Hey loves, what's up going on, what's good, what's popping? Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In today's video I will be dyeing my hair honey blonde using these products, and they are the Cream of Nature Moisture Rich Hair Color with Shea Butter Conditioner. So yes, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this forever. I actually bought these products in June and it is now September and I'm just getting around to doing it. I am kind of nervous because I do not know how it will look on me, but I just have to try. And I've had black hair all my life, so this will be my first time actually experimenting with permanent color. So if you're interested in seeing how I go from black to honey blonde, please keep on watching. So I bought 2 boxes of the hair dye. I'm not sure if I'll be needing 2. I just bought it just in case one couldn't do my entire head, that I'd have another box and I wouldn't be looking crazy. And also I was thinking maybe if one doesn't work well enough to lighten my hair, I can go in again with another box. So yeah, I've watched a couple of videos on how to do it, but you know, watching is one thing, but doing it myself might be a problem. So it comes with everything. This is the 30 volume cream color developer. So I don't know if this is the same thing as bleach or what, but it's a cream developer. Okay, so this is the after color conditioner. This is the hair color. And it comes with the instruction, and on the instruction there are 2 gloves. So I'm going to quickly read these steps because I do not want to be looking a mess. So let me get these gloves off. Yep. Okay, so I just done reading the instructions and it seems pretty straightforward, so I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair. So I'm going to create about 6 sections. And I'm doing this on dirty hair. I think that's what should be done. I'm not sure, it's my first time, but I don't want to wash my hair and irritate my scalp. So yeah, I'm going to do it on unclean hair or hair with some products. Guys, I am so excited. I can't believe I'm actually doing this after so long. I've been wanting to dye my hair honey blonde since forever, honestly. I've always seen this color on other naturals and I really wanted to try it. And because my ends have been damaged, I just decided that, you know what, why not just do this, and if it further damages my hair, I'll just start over my natural hair journey. Alright, so let's get started. So now that I've sectioned off my hair, the first step I believe is to get my gloves on because I'll be dealing with chemicals now. Okay, so step 1 is putting my gloves on. So I'm going to put in the ammonia free color into the 30 volume cream developer. I'm going to put the top back on and shake it together. Time to apply to my sections. Oh my gosh, I'm actually doing this. So I'm starting from the back because the back is harder to process than the front of my hair, and the front of my hair is also weaker. I should be doing this in way smaller sections. Okay, so I got a clip to separate the sections, and I feel like going through my roots last because the roots of my hair will process faster since the heat is at the roots, and I want my roots to be a bit darker than the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to apply to the ends of my hair. Hair color is starting to fade. I'm going to put on a shower cap to trap the heat. Make sure I have on my edges. So yeah, I got most of my hair up in this shower cap, and the instructions on the box says that I should leave it in for 25 minutes. So I'm going to set my timer and I'm going to come back when it's 25 minutes. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. It has been about 30 minutes since I've left the dye in my hair, and I'm pretty sure this is not honey blonde. My hair looks very red. I mean, this is what the girl on the box looks like, and on the other hand, this doesn't look like honey blonde, and apparently I didn't get all my roots. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm going to rinse it out and like hope for a miracle. If it's not what I want, I may go in with another box of dye, because yeah, this is looking more red than a honey blonde. So I'm going to rinse it out. I'm going to use my Functional Beauty products because I think it has some color protection properties. So I'll see you when I'm done rinsing my hair out. So guys, I just rinsed my hair and this is what it's looking like. This looks more red than honey blonde to me. Oh my gosh, this looks like a hot mess. Oh my gosh, and my hair was so dry when I was washing it, but I used the Functional Beauty conditioner, and luckily that added back some moisture to my hair. But I thought I knew what dry hair was before, but with this color it is super dry. I'm definitely going to go in with the second box because I don't know, I do not look like the girl on the box. Okay guys, I'm about to leave this in for another 25 minutes. Hopefully I get the results that I want. So yeah, I'm just going to cover it up and we'll see. I feel ridiculous. Like, no. Let me zoom out. I did not sign up for this. Hold on, I should zoom in. Like, this is what honey blonde is supposed to look like. Is it me, or does her hair look like a different shade than mine? It looks like I dyed my hair red, and I regret dyeing my roots as well. Oh my gosh, I should have kept it blonde, but I thought it was going to come out cute, but no, it just looks like I don't have any edges. So yeah, I don't know what to do. I do not know what to do. I mean, so yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wake up early tomorrow morning, go to a beauty supply store and try to get some blonde, and I'm just going to go blonde. I'm just going to go blonde because what is this? And I processed my hair twice already, so I don't know whether or not my hair will fall off tomorrow, because I'll be doing it a third time, but I really had high hopes. And what is this? This is not what I signed up for. This is not what's on the box. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is turning out to be a long video, so hey loves, so it is day 2 and this will be round 2 of me trying to color my hair. Like, I don't know if you can see clearer from last night, but this is what my hair is looking like. And I just went to the beauty supply store and I got what I could, because I don't know, some things are so difficult to find in Jamaica. I couldn't find the Shimmering Lights shampoo or that purple shampoo that would help to tone my hair. I couldn't find toner, so all I could find was this developer, because I'll be bleaching my hair now. I'm just going to go in and bleach it because apparently my hair couldn't be dyed properly. So I got that and 3 packs of the BW2, and I also got this to tone it. So why does this look like the current color of my hair though? It does. But I also got this color, which I said I could mix these two together just in case this is too orange. So I just hope this works out well. Also, I could not find any container for mixing this hair, so I have this makeshift container that I'll be mixing the developer and the bleach in. So wish me luck, guys. I'm just going to mix a pack of this with the recommended 1.5 ounce of the 20 volume developer. So okay guys, so this is the consistency that I have right now, and I'm going to take my hair out of these corners so that I can distribute it evenly throughout my hair. Okay, so I'm going to start applying now. No, it doesn't look that bad, you know. Alright, so let's get it started. Oh my gosh, the smell! This reminds me of when I was getting a relaxer. You know what, I'm just gonna use my fingers because oh, this smells so strong. I'm going to plug my fan in so I can get some more air inside here, because the smell, I do not want it to burn my eyes. So I'm just going to go through the rest of my hair and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay guys, so I just applied the bleach to my entire head, and yeah, I think it's starting to lift. This is what it's looking like. So I'm just hoping for the best. I'm going to leave it in for 30 minutes. Wish me luck. I hope I won't have to go in with the bleach again, because I don't want to damage my curl pattern. So yeah, I should have applied some to my edges, because as you can see right here, it's getting lighter, but my edges are still orange. My hair is almost the same as my complexion, which is weird. Okay, so now I'm going to leave this in for 30 minutes and I'll be back when I rinse it out. Okay guys, so I am finally done and it is now time for the big reveal. So this is what my hair turned out like. Oh my god, it looks crazy on camera. What is this? What? It still looks so orange and uneven. Guys, this was an epic failure, I think. Wow, why does my hair, like, well, I guess it's kind of cute because it's light blonde right here, then it goes to the sort of red as it goes down, and I have random patches. What is this? Oh my god. Oh, what is that? Oh my god, you know, I should have just went to a professional, but I haven't been to a hairdresser in years. Well, I guess it is time for the final application. I didn't think it would get to this, but it is gonna get to this because I don't have a toner to tone it down. What is this patch right here? That's crazy. And what? This is ridiculous. No, I'm going to get rid of that because I can't work. Alright, I have a little tip of bleach leave and trust me, it's going right on that spot because that can't work. Cannot work. While that little spot is being bleached, let me cover it up so that y'all won't be distracted, but this is a bit too red for me, so I'm going to go in with this hair color, and I'm not sure if it will be like too dark. I'm thinking of mixing it with this. My hair is basically this color already, so I'm not sure if I'm going to mix it. I am not sure. Yeah, my hair is basically this color, so I might do this with some conditioner to tone it down. This is a really long video because I just messed up, and yeah, I'm trying to fix this. I'm assuming that I'm supposed to mix this and this together, and hopefully I can tone this down. Okay guys, so it's looking pretty much the same to me. This is what my hair is looking like. I'll just have to work with this. Maybe a couple days from now I'll dye it again. I'm not sure, but yeah, for now it needs a lot of moisture. It does feel soft though and not really dry, probably because of what I washed it with. But this is my hair. It has this ombre effect, which was not intentional. It's lighter at the roots and get darker at the ends. So I'm going to moisturize with the Aunt Jackie's Quench Leave-In and the Creme of Nature Twisting Cream. So I'm going to just apply those in sections and detangle using this brush. As you can see, I still have some random patches. Yeah, just so it go, you know. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with the Aunt Jackie's Quench, and I'm just going to apply it all over my head because I can't bother to divide my hair in sections right now. So that is it, guys. I'm just going to allow my hair to dry completely. I think I'll have to give myself a little time to get used to this color because I just feel I look weird. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below if you like this color. Should I go lighter? Should I go darker? I'm not sure, but for now it seems like I can rock with this, you know. I don't think I did such a bad job for my first time coloring my hair, so yeah, it can work with. I can work with this. I can work with this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like to see more hair videos, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed, please be sure to turn on the post notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.